Welcome back to Master Blaster TV, guys. We got some stuff going on today. We're going to be ripping in the snow. It's not going to be much. The Polaris still isn't running, unfortunately. So you hear that two-stroke in the background. That's Alex and Austin. They're out ripping. But I still can't get the Polaris running, and it's going through some problems right now with the battery. All right, back to the drawing board. Let's see if this will work. But as soon as we get it running, we'll let you guys know. We'll have a video out about it. Alex is just riding wheelies in the back. We're out here ripping today, boys. We're gonna see a jump. Let's see a jump. Gotta get over there. She ain't no big jump, she ain't no triple, but she's a jump. Whoa, big dog! Just a straight power wheelie out here, guys.
Guys, have a great and happy day. You know, it's a little chilly out, but we're still doing it, like always.
Yes, sir.
You know, hit the snow, hit the jumps. Quads are fucked up. We better hurt them hard. We something going.
Let's see it. What's it got, boys? What's they got? Huh? Let's see it. Woohoo! We're out here ripping today, boys. Whoa! Who placed that Ford there now?
What happened?
You broke your bike. Screw the slide juice. We got the slide pad. We got the slide pad out here today, folks. The slide pad. Are y'all? Look at the slide pad. Look at the slide pad today, folks.
Take it, bro.
We just had a major fall down here. Are you all right, bud?
Yeah, did you record the wreck?
Yeah, I got the wreck. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's see them two strokes in the snow.
You got to keep your eyes on the road, bro, or you're gonna get ran over.
Come on, what is that? You slung it a little bit.
That poor old blaster, man, she'll take a beating and keep on eating. Well, I guess she'll take a beating and keep on heating. There's the old CBR, or CR, Honda CR85. CBR's in the garage. CBR's in the garage till winter time's over, boys and girls.
He's gonna hit the jump here, folks. Woohoo! Is he gonna try it? He ain't thinking so. He's just gonna roll right over it. Yep. Holding up traffic. What are you doing, man? Do you not know how to drive? Look at this crazy person, folks. Hit this jump. Yeah! It ain't no real crazy air out here, folks, but we're just getting down. Just letting her eat buckwheat. Letting her eat buckwheat. Too much yelling today, guys. Too much yelling. If you guys are loving today's video, make sure you go down there and rip that subscribe button up. Make sure you get that like button a big old slapping, and make sure you click in to see every video we make, because you never know. A video could be like this. Ripping it, dude. Ripping it right in the snow. Ripping the jump up, ripping everything up. We're just ripping in general. We're just out here ripping.